Looking for a hassle-free way to connect your trailer wiring without cutting or splicing your vehicle's wires? REESE T-One Tow Harness Connectors deliver exactly that. Designed to plug directly into your vehicle's existing wiring harness, these connectors eliminate the frustration of complicated installations and keep your wiring safe and intact. If you want a clean, factory-like connection that just works, this is the product to consider. I've used the REESE T-One connectors myself, and what stands out is how straightforward the process is. You simply locate your vehicle's wiring harness connector, unplug it, and insert the T-One connector. It's that simple. No special tools, no guesswork. The weatherproof, one-piece design fits snugly and looks like it came straight from the factory. When not in use, the connector stores neatly in your cargo area or under the rear bumper, so it's always ready when you are. The 16-gauge bonded wire and 4 flat plugs support up to 7.5 amps for stop lights and turn signals, ensuring your trailer's lights perform reliably every time you hit the road. What really makes REESE stand out is their decades of experience in towing solutions. Their T-One connectors offer peace of mind by providing a secure, plug-and-play connection that's compatible with nearly any vehicle and trailer setup. You don't have to worry about wiring errors or compatibility issues. Plus, the included step-by-step instructions make installation a breeze, even if you're not a professional. If you're ready to simplify your towing experience with a dependable, factory-style harness, REESE T-One Tow Harness Connectors are worth a look. Try it when you're ready to make your next trip smoother and safer.